In an inhuman incident, a minor was allegedly forced to consume alcohol forcibly and beaten up mercilessly when he resisted. This shocking incident has been reported from Bonapat village under Kunjang police limits in Jagatsinghpur district. The matter came to light after a video of the incident went viral on social media. According to reports, the incident occurred 20 to 25 days ago but gained attention only after the disturbing footage of the incident recorded on phone went viral on social media. Following the video leak, the minor's father lodged a formal complaint at the Kunjang police station, prompting officials to register a case and launch a probe. Two youths from the village, identified as Monoranjan Samantrai and Susant Das, have been named in the complaint. Police have detained one of the accused for interrogation while efforts are underway to nab the other. Sources said the boy was lured by the accused to a house where they forcibly made him drink alcohol. When the minor resisted, he was beaten mercilessly and verbally abused. The accused duo then threatened to kill the boy if he disclosed the incident to anyone.
काली केम जानले जो वीडियो वायरल हो ना
आज्ञा
अच्छा
अब ताको तो धमक देइतनी से घरे कहू नाही तो घरे कहू तके मार दऊ ए तो ताको डाकी जंते से झाड़ा जाइतला ये सब एमती आई घर पाकू तो से माल पीउथला हला कि ताको सबटू घर भीतर नै किना पुरै कि कबाट दे दे कि चाबी पके देले ताला मार देले ताको सबटू पियाइचंदी मारचंदी ये न पीउती जो जब माडा मारी कि पियाइचंदी